Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel General Redwood Valley Express. I've got the crane sorted out, and the crane was broken, and it wouldn't stay up no matter what I did. And the way this is designed, the weight of the suspension arm is actually being supported by this pulley system. So anyway, what I did was to lock it in position. I tightened it where I wanted it to be, and I put 1 drop of 5-minute epoxy on the knob to lock it in position. And then I had to epoxy it in place. It was broken on the bottom. As soon as you swiveled it, it just popped off the car. So anyway, I've got it set, and I wanted to actually keep it a bit lower, but the lower it goes, the further out it goes. So the only way to do it correctly with that hook over the end of the flat car was in this position. And then I just put a rubber band on it to act as a hold down strap for that hook. Anyway, the dump car, that's what this is, actually has a dump mechanism in it, as you see, magnetically operated. And then a log car, I assume that's what this is called, and this is manual, of course, dump. Not sure what this was. I think it had barrels in it. And then I've added that lighted caboose. So anyway, it's up and running really, really well. It looks nice. Been oiled. Installed the rectifier in it. And it's just running perfectly. A really interesting set, that's for sure. So I will probably get some logs for that log car. Just need to see a picture of the original set so I can see what it looked like. In any case, it's repaired, up and running. It looks nice. It runs really, really well. I'll get probably three logs. Good sized 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch doweling. Cut them and put them on the car. I don't know what I'm going to put in there. Like I said, I need to see some pictures of the original set. And then this is perforated where I think it had barrels. I'm not sure, but I'll have to check it out and see. Anyway, it's up and running. It looks nice, and couldn't beat the price, that's for sure. Anyway, just a quick follow-up on this. Running just absolutely perfectly. So a great birthday gift. Actually, a really interesting looking train. Anyway, it sure does run well. So just a quick follow-up on this. Like I said, I'll be running this for the next day or so. But that rectifier is working perfectly, and it's been in the Redwood now for, what, 5 days, I think. And it's working just splendidly in both of them. So 2 DC locomotives. If these were AC, I never would have bought them because they would have been $100 each, 125 likely. This set is on line now for $250 as is, which is crazy. Anyway, it's a really inexpensive way to get a Lionel General. Just look for the DC version of it, and they're usually 1/3 of the cost. So, and you don't have a whole lot of people bidding against you because no one wants them. What do you do with a DC locomotive? Anyway, both been converted to AC, $3 each for the conversion. Only takes a minute and works just absolutely perfectly, as you see. So anyway, 2 Lionel Generals. Just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.